Yeah?
She's ready to go down. We need to put her down for a nap.
You know what that means?
Workout?
Yep. Let's do it. 10-minute workout.
Let's go. So we got Ellie down for her first morning nap. White noise is on. Hopefully we don't wake her. So we have time for a quick 10-minute workout.
Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna have 4 exercises, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 4 times through, 10 minutes, and we're done. First exercise, we're gonna do a push-up to a downward dog. We're gonna touch opposite hand, opposite toe. Push up, downward dog, opposite hand, opposite toe. From there, we're gonna come up, get our heart rate up a little bit. We're gonna do a burpee. No push-up, because we just did a bunch of push-ups. Burpee, that's exercise 2. Exercise 3, we're gonna go a narrow, wide squat jump. So feet narrow to feet wide. We're gonna jump it out. Final exercise is gonna be a burner on the one leg at a time. You're gonna get down on that front leg. We're gonna hop up, tap that knee. Up, tap that knee. Notice my back leg is staying stationary, staying low. First round, we'll do the left leg. When we come back around for the second leg round, we'll do the right leg.
All right, start the timer.
Ooh, timer going, 10 minutes. My heart rate's up even just talking about it. All right, down on the ground, start push-ups to downward dogs. Straight body line, push up, reach opposite hand, opposite toe. Knock out those push-ups. You need to come to your knees. Come to your knees, back to your plank. Touch that toe. Down, whew, up. Come on, perfect plank. You only have 10 minutes. Sometimes that's all we have in the day to get some movement in.
Go by quick.
10 seconds. Come on, you guys, push another 1 or 2. You can do it. All right, up. Burpees. Knock out those burpees. I don't want to see sloppy burpees. We round forward. Sit down into that squat and we go drop down. Ready? And go. Perfect plank. When you jump out, don't let those hips sag. Come on, Brad, let's do it. Only 20 more seconds.
Workout's meant to be tough because it's just 10 minutes. You need to step away from your desk. This can be done in your work day.
5 seconds.
Whatever works best for you. Like Corey said, get that movement in.
2, 1. Woo, round almost gave up early.
I know.
All right, you guys. Start with your feet close together. And then we're gonna jump wide, narrow, narrow. To narrow squat, wide squat. Narrow, wide. I like to put my hand in front of my heart center. Keep my chest upright. You don't have to. You can move and move with your arms. Sit into those heels. Don't put your weight too much into your toes, especially on those squats. We have 5 seconds. Remember, not that one leg. Again, wait. Whew. All right, everybody, left leg forward. You're gonna keep your weight in that front leg until you jump up. You're gonna touch your knee. Bring that knee almost to your chest. So down, push up. Push that front leg. Ooh, I got wobbly. Get down, push. Use your core too to kind of crunch that knee up. And down, on the side so you can see. So down, pull it up. Pull it up. Come on, you guys. Oh man. That back leg feel it too though, because you stabilize and it comes up. Almost there, you have 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, push ups. 1 right now. Quarter of the way done. Oh man. First round is always the toughest. Your body's just getting going. This round's gonna be great. Push up, down dog. Push those hips high. If you feel unstable in your shoulders when you reach for your toe, just go into a down dog. There's no harm in that. Sometimes people's shoulders are a little unstable. Leave the chest in those push-ups. Don't let your hips sag. You'll push that one away. Come on, you guys. There we go. Burpees. Rock it out. Whew, I'm huffing and puffing. I didn't start my watch today. I know it's only 10 minutes.
Burpees.
But I gotta get those 10 minutes in. Out and in and up. Perfect. Plank burpee. Please don't let your hips sag. Keep them up. Jump in, keep those heels on the ground when you jump in. We're almost there. Give me 3 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now we count really slow. If you got a timer going, otherwise your 30 seconds might be 45. All right, guys. Narrow line squat jumps. Whew. Ready? Go, in and out. 30 seconds here. Big toes up, so heel, push it into the ground. And you land. Evenly distributing your weight. Come on, sit. Big chest over your shirt. Come on, push you guys. Push, it's only 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Woo, all right, right leg forward. Right leg forward. Okay, this is the fun one. Get all the way down. Pull that knee in. Pull that knee in, stay low though. Notice I'm not reaching back. My weight isn't then up into this front foot. We're not fully planted. On the toe of the back leg. I'm always on the toe of the back leg. Sit. Your weight to this heel.
Exceedingly hard.
Yes. You didn't know that when I said we're gonna do it. He's like, sure, why not? 2, 1. All right, you guys, you're halfway. 5 minutes down, 5 minutes go. Get down to the ground, you should be ready before that timer goes. Okay, push up and touch. Ooh, yeah. Make every push-up count. Let's go. Hold yourself to the ground, then push yourself away, hips high to the side. Try to reach those heels from the ground as your hips go high into the side. Good stretch movements, good strength and stability movement. Right up. Burpees. Favorite. Always are the favorites. Okay. Just kidding. Oh, not really like anybody.
Yeah, who loves burpees?
I actually had a client one time said she'd rather do burpees than lunges.
Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever had clients. I always have clients, just don't make me do burpees.
Burpees have no place.
They do.
Come on, you guys. 5 seconds. 2, last one.
Oh.
Alright. We're almost there, over halfway. Over halfway done. Okay, narrow wide. Hands at heart center if you'd like. Keep my chest upright. And open up forward. Come on, guys. Now, stay low. Lower if you can. And down and up. In and out. Whew. 10 seconds. You need to close your eyes and find your rhythm. You can do it. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
All right, you don't have to do that one more time. All right, left leg forward, you guys. Remember, your weight stays in the toe of the back leg. Don't come all the way back because you're standing on that back leg. Down and up. Bring it up, use your core, crunch it up. Up, up, and get low. When you come down though, that weight is in your heel. Don't let it shift to your toe. 10 seconds. Come on, get it up. Pull it in. You gotta grab, pull it up. Woo. All right, one more round.
One more.
Okay, push up, down dogs. Okay, last one, knock it out. Come on, you guys. You're done with this exercise in less than 30 seconds. Don't let those hips sag, you guys. Squeeze your quads. In that plank position, reach your hip high, heel reaching for the ground. Whew. Come on, you can do this. Come on, get a couple more. I know you can. You have one and done.
last round of burpees.
Yay. Come on, you guys ready? Let's do the last round. We're awesome. You're awesome. 20 seconds right now. Sit into your squat when you land, sit all the way down. Don't just land, stop, then flop on down. Go right down, sit.
Are you calling me out?
Yep. Just zooming everybody other than somebody else besides you doing it that way. 3, 2, 1. And out squats. 1 minute left of work, you guys. Be done in 1. And then out. Hands heart center. Stay low. 20. You can do it. Remember to breathe. Come on, push a little bit faster, a little bit lower. 10 seconds. Almost. We have 5, 2, 1. All right. We have 30 more seconds.
I think this last one is my least favorite.
I know. I knew you wouldn't like it. Often the things, let's go you guys, last 30 seconds, that we're not the best at. We're the things we might need the most.
Yeah.
The hardest. We're not used to it.
Not a movement I do often. I mean, I lunge often, but.
A new one. Come on, pull it in. You have 12 seconds, you're done in 12. You're done in 10. Pull it up, don't stop. Your last 5 seconds of today, and you did 10 minutes of working out. 1.
Ooh.
Ooh, man.
Thank you for joining us today.
Yep.
That was an awesome 10 minutes. If you haven't been to our channel before,
Don't worry, the beeper's our favorite.
let me say that again. If you haven't been to our channel before, we provide 10-minute workouts like today. We do 30-minute workouts. Whew. We also provide nutritional tips and tips, as I can talk correctly. Whew. So definitely check out those other videos. Glad you could make it with us today. Stay tuned for more workouts. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.